Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're checking out the lineup of hardcore nodular iron differential covers from Yukon Gear and Axle. These differential covers are available for a wide selection of different axles ranging from your Dana 30, 35, 44, 60, 80, and even the newest generation of axles from Dana found in the latest Jeep Wrangler JLs and Gladiator JTs. The two examples I have here on the table do happen to be for the newest M186 and M200 or the new Dana 30 and 35 axles. Now it's immediately apparent at the difference between a factory stamped steel diff cover and this heavy-duty, thick-walled nodular iron diff cover from Yukon Gear and Axle. This cover is made to stand up to abuse on the trails, and it's going to be able to take those occasional hits from rocks and other trail objects without the fear that you're going to split open that thin stamped sheet metal cover, ending your day of fun on the trails. Now, the backside of the hardcore diff covers feature smooth, contoured insides to help promote good oil flow for proper cooling of your gears. And because of this thick-walled, heavy-duty design, once this differential cover is bolted in place to your axle, it's actually going to improve and increase the overall structural rigidity of your differential housing. These covers feature an accent stainless steel plate right on the front of the cover there with the Yukon name. They also come with stainless steel hardware for bolting them in place, as well as a magnetic fill and drain plug for inspection and filling of your gear oil and to help trap any potential shavings that are present there in your gear oil. If you guys want to get more information or to purchase a Yukon Gear and Axle hardcore nodular iron diff cover for your Jeep, you can click that info button to head over to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the diff covers or how to get them installed, you can always leave them for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.